So I've been using Skinkraft product for a month now. It was a gift from my mom on my 23rd birthday. I really like it and I certainly think my hair is much more manageable now. Okay, in this video it might not look that good, but that's because it's day 2 of my hair wash and I haven't combed it since morning. So no judging and swiftly moving on. How to get Skinkraft products. You can simply Google Skinkraft or use the link in the description below and you'll get to the website homepage from where you can toggle to get hair products. They also provide face products, so yeah. You need to fill out a form with the details asked, your hair type, quality, damage, any problem areas, previous treatments like hair color. For me, I had to straightening one, so yeah, don't ask. And what would you like to achieve from these products? I opted for moisturization and daily maintenance. uh, Once you are finished, you'll have to create an account and wait for the analysis of your hair, and they'll recommend some products based on your problem areas. Usually, it's a set of three: shampoo, conditioner, and a serum for $9.99, which should last me for 2 months. For me, like I said, it was moisturization and daily maintenance. I received this package after 8 to 10 days, and considering the situation out there, I think it's fine. Even Prime delivery is staggering. These bottles are traveler friendly and customized by my mom. So yeah, well, shampoo is nice. It feels natural, and not sure how much of it is actually natural, but yeah. Okay, the serum, I'm a little skeptical. It is supposed to regrow the hair lost, so yeah, tough work. The conditioner is super nice. It actually softens and just makes my hair, look all shiny and nice. So, the packaging overall is cute, and yeah, worth a try. I think you should totally give it a shot. That's about it. I love these products. I hope you like the video. I know it's a bit rushed, but what can I say? इतने में इतना ही मिलेगा. Just kidding. Stay tuned for better videos.